Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up and manage Slack's time zone per channel, a useful feature that ensures your team is on the same page no matter where they are in the world. To kick off, let's navigate to the channel of choice. This is where all the magic happens. The reason we do this is to specify the channel where we want to apply the time zone setting. Next up, click on the channel name at the top and then select Channel Settings. Now, this is important because it allows us to access the settings specific to this channel. Once you're in, find and select Time Zone. Here's where you'll see a list of time zones to choose from. This step matters because it helps us set the time zone that best fits the majority of the team members in the channel. Now that we've done that, choose the appropriate time zone from the list. Remember, the time zone you set here will impact when scheduled messages are sent and when reminders are triggered. This helps us because it ensures that everyone in the channel receives messages at the right time, no matter where they are. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes. This is the final and critical step as it ensures your new settings are applied to the channel. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up and manage Slack's time zone per channel. This feature will help keep your team synchronized no matter their location. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy slacking.